Hey guys, C here. Thank you so much for clicking to join me in today's video. Today I am sharing with you a new tool that I have added to my sewing arsenal that has not only kept me productive, but it keeps me feeling pretty good in the process as well. And that is my new cordless electric scissors. One, I can't believe that it's been almost 2 years since I've gotten back into sewing. The time has flown by. But then two, why has it taken me so long to purchase these? Now, if you're like me, you may have already seen your local fabric shop using these to cut your fabric, but I didn't really think much of it. I've seen the individuals at Joann and sometimes at Hobby Lobby using electric scissors, and I was like, okay, that's cool. I don't know why I didn't say, hey, maybe you should consider getting those until it popped up on my suggested on Amazon. So I have purchased the cordless electric scissors by Stallworth. I purchased them from Amazon.com. Now, I am not sponsored, but you know, if there are any brands out there who would like to sponsor your girl, you know, We See Style is more than available. Anyway, I was not sponsored. I have not been paid for my opinion. I am just a consumer. I'm a sewing enthusiast. I am a working mama who has a full-time taxing job, and I come home chasing 3 little kiddos, and so I like to save my time, which is why this is handy. But in addition to that, I have carpal tunnel and arthritis. Now, it is self-diagnosed, yes, but I did a very thorough search on Google and WebMD to know that yes, I think I have early onset arthritis and carpal tunnel. But you can keep your comments to yourself. I know my body. Anyway, not only did these electric scissors pique interest in me because of the time that I can save when cutting, because that is my least favorite task to do when it comes to sewing, but when I'm cutting fabric for my sewing projects, I often have issues with my wrist afterwards, and you know, it's bothersome. It takes me a couple days to bounce back, to recoup. I sleep with a splint on both my wrists when I have when my wrists are acting up from cutting. And I haven't worn those splints in quite some time because I've invested in these electric scissors. So if you are an individual like me who has carpal tunnel, I said what I said. But if you have wrist agitation or just want to save some time when it comes to your sewing projects, definitely invest in these scissors. Now let's get into the specifics. I purchased my scissors the middle of September, so I've had them 2 months now and I've been using them actively. I also featured them in my recent batch cutting video when I cut a little under a dozen projects. Unlike the last couple times I've batch cut, I did not have to go to bed with my wrist brace that night. So I'm really excited about that. When I batch cut, I use this product on a series of materials. That included, let me get my notes. When I batch cut, I use the electric scissors on mesh, sweater knit, the sweater that I'm wearing right now, jersey knit, quilting cotton, faux leather. I use it on satin, stretch velvet, and drapable crepe rayon. And it cut like a dream, smooth as butter on every single textile. Come on now, am I not selling you this? Now, let me move on to more specifics. So as I mentioned, I purchased it on Amazon.com. It was regular $39.99. I purchased it for $32.05. I received it on next day delivery. Now, the material on this product is plastic and metal. It weighs about 16 ounces, so 1 pound, and it is 9 inches long. It's ergonomic. It fits into your hand very well. Large hands, my husband can handle it very well, as well as myself, even though I don't really have small hands. And it has an ambidextrous hand orientation. So our lefties, you get some love too. Now, because it has an ergonomic shape, it allows me to get very precise cuts. Now, I use fabric shears. I do not like rotary cutters. I like my shears because I feel like I have more control when I'm cutting the fabric. This is top tier, okay? I feel like I am able to do the same exact thing. I can even cut my notches. Now, I still keep my shears close when I'm batch cutting or when I'm cutting for a sewing project, just in case I want to make those snips or those notches very easily. But still, with a little, I can get that notch, no problem. The cordless electric scissors by Starworth come with 2 blades. So the first blade is for your fabric and paper. So as I mentioned, I was able to cut a series of fabrics with ease, no problem. I can also cut paper with this blade. And then the product comes with a second blade to cut cardboard. I'm not doing a whole bunch of box cutting, okay? But when it does come to my Amazon packages or my various packages coming in the mail, I can very easily break them down with this blade. And that is a great addition to the amazing use of this product, but that's not what I bought it for. I bought it for my sewing, okay? This product has a 3.6 volt lithium rechargeable battery, and the charge time is about 3 to 5 hours, but this lasted a long time. Since I've had it, I have not only batch cut, but I used it for a series of projects before I batch cut and a few after I batch cut. I've only charged it one time. One time, okay? Because we're talking about blades and an electric tool, safety is also important, especially me who has little ones who tend to touch everything. This product does have a safety, and so with one quick switch, you're unable to turn the product on, and then of course it has a cover for your blade. With one quick mechanism, you can switch out your blades, and I love the ease and durability of this product. Now, I don't want to get my blades mixed up, so let me put my fabric blade back up here, please, and thank you. Now, just in case you put your charger through extensive use, like myself, it does come with a, what is this, a 5-foot charger, and it does work while it is being charged. I like that as well. But we like it because it's cordless. We don't want to have it in a charger. So keep in mind that with that 3 to 5 hour charge time, you get hours on top of hours of use with this product. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, I feel like I'm selling it alone now. You are welcome, Starworth. Okay, come find me, Starworth. All right, because I should be sending a ton of sewing enthusiasts your way. That's it. That's all I got. I hope it's helpful to you. I hope you're encouraged to go and head over there and get it. Hey, it's holiday time. Add it to your Christmas wish list. See what Santa brings you this year, okay? As always, I love you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.